Hello everyone, today I'm talking a new feature in Go that is how to use opportunities custom feeds. Okay, for accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on Opportunities tab. Okay, here you will see a pipeline. This is the pipeline it is created. You can click here and you can click on demo pipeline. This is the demo pipeline you'll be getting. And if I click on sales pipeline, you'll be getting the sales pipeline. If you want to create a new pipeline, we'll click on pipelines. I can click on create new pipeline. I can give the pipeline name. I can add the stages and I can click on save. Okay, here I'm having a dummy pipeline as sales pipeline. And here I have added this many stages. This is the ABC stage I'm adding. I can give XYZ as a new name and click on save. Okay, the pipeline will be saved. In that case, if example in this pipeline, any new need has to be added or how we can get to know any new need is as subscribed our form or fill the form. For knowing that, I need to get into sites. After that, I need to get into forms. I need to click on builder. I need to click on add form, start from scratch. If example, if someone fills the form, we can do the lead generation and we can sell the product and we can help them to do some other consultation services and some many more. Okay, for that, I need to click on add form element. I need to get into custom form element, and here I need to click on opportunity. I will click on add. I'll add the single line, and I will click on next. And here I will give the field name as area, and I will select the opportunity. I will click on group opportunity details, and I will click on save. Okay, so that the form is the field as added successfully, and I will click on opportunity details. Here I will get the option as area. I will click on this and I will drag it here, and I will click on select a pipeline, click on sales pipeline, new leads. I will click as status as open, and I will give the opportunity value as $90 or something. I'll give $90 as an example. I click on save. Okay, so that the pipeline is saved now, and I will click on save here. It is saved, and I will click on preview option. Here I can give the first name as ABC and last name as XYZ and email ID as DA at any random email ID. And the area I can give as Bangalore, and the phone number as random phone number you can give. And I will click on option and I will click on agree. Now we have the user has filled the form. After that, I will get into this. I will get into the opportunities tab. Here I will get an option on as this user has filled the details and his contact name, email, and the phone number details and everything I can get. This is one advanced feature using in advanced feature in Go-HighLevel. By using this, we can get to know if example, if this is a new lead or this is a hot lead or this is a person who quit the appointment, specific person, and if it is show and we need to follow up with that user and whether we need to perform any service it is pending, and we can get to know about every each and user. We can collect the data and we can maintain here. By using this feature, we can reduce the time consumption of the people. Nowadays, people are used to various Excel sheets or some sheets. Compared to that, by using this in the pipeline only, everything will be there. It will be very easy for the users to minimize their work. If you like this content, thank you.